Hey guys, and welcome to this video. I'm going to do my first Halloween set of the year and I can't wait. So this is Madame Glam's Make-A-Wish. It is a very unusual gold and black glitter colour, absolutely stunning, and I thought it would be perfect for Halloween. So I'm going to paint this on the thumb and on the pinky finger. These are short square press-on nails and I've already prepped them and I popped the base coat on just to save time so we can get straight into the design. I'm going to zoom in here. And once I have those two nails painted on, I am going to pop on a black gel polish from the manicure company. And I'm going to do 2 coats of each of these colours. And then I'm going to come back for the next part of the design. So these are the nails after 2 coats of the polish and they are ready to go straight in with the design. So I am going to pick out this Lily Cute liner. This is a gorgeous chrome gold gel and I do love the fact that it is really chromy. So even after you put a top coat over it, it just keeps that chromy look and it's so easy because it's in a gel polish formula. So I'm going to paint a spider web with this gold and I'm just starting off here from the corner of the nail with my little detailer brush and I'm just pulling those 4 lines down to the edge of that nail tip. Just going to blend the corner a little bit to make it a little bit thicker in the corner. And I'm going to go straight in then and I'm going to do the little lines that join the spider web together. And as you can see, they're just curved little lines, so they just make it look exactly like an authentic spider web. So just curve it a little bit. I didn't bother to go back in and add any more gel polish to this brush at all. I am literally using what's left on the brush. And every so often I go in to the corner of the nail because it's a little bit bulkier up there. And I just take a little bit of polish off the corner just like I'm doing now. And I just go in to do my spider webs. So basically you don't want these lines here to look too thick. So I was very careful of adding more polish on at this stage. You just want them nice and thin. And yeah, I'm lucky enough with this polish, it seems to stay on the brush for a long time. Sometimes these chromy looking polishes can dry very quickly, but this one seems to stay nice and wet for a while. So yeah, that is how you do a spider web, nice and easy, and I thought that this colour was so nice against the black polish. So next up, I'm doing these little ghosties. So these are the little ones that look like they're kind of flying away, and I'm just kind of winging it, but they are really simple to do. You just kind of have to do a bigger blob where the head should be and then just kind of taper it in so it looks like they're flying off up into the air. And I use the Glitter Bells white gel paint for this and I love it because it's so pigmented. And these really come together when you kind of go in with your black and you paint on their little eyes and their mouth and stuff like that. It really comes together then. So yeah, I love Halloween. I was so excited to do a Halloween nail set and yeah, I really wanted to use a stamping image that I'm going to show on the next nail and really wanted to try out that stamping plate as well. So I'm so glad I got this up early. I'm hoping to do more Halloween sets and autumn sets. Let me know down below if you love this time of year for the nail sets. Do you love Halloween nail art and autumn nail art and all those colours? I absolutely love them. I'm just going in here then with the Glitter Bells black gel paint, painting on the eyes and the mouth. So the eyes are just kind of like little commas and the mouth is a little triangular shape, and then you just kind of pull it down so it looks like he's a little bit surprised or something like that. Kind of like the ghost face mask, basically, these little ghosts look like. You know, that mask from Scream, that's basically the look you're trying to achieve with these, just so it's creepy looking. But it's very easy to do, especially when they're this small, because you don't really have to go in and detail or highlight or anything like that, because it is a really, really small surface, this little nail here. But yeah, I am just using the detailer brush that I use for every part of the nail art in this set. And next up, I'm going to use this stamping plate right here. So this is the plate that I was telling you about, and this is the white stamping polish I'm going to use. It is so, so good. I highly recommend it. But fun fact, it took me 3 attempts to get an image up, and I just tried 2, then gave up, and then this was my last one, but it ended up being my favorite out of the whole lot of them. It looks so, so cool. Wait till you see it now. It is so cool. This is it over a matte surface, and I really love it. I think I'm going to put it on my own nails closer to Halloween. It's just so cool. Look, I was so proud of it because it took me 3 goes to pick up an image, so I was sticking with it. Whether I liked it or not, it was staying on this nail. So now I'm going to go in with a no wipe top coat, and I should mention I do have a discount code for Madame Glam. It is for 35% off, and I will leave the link in the description. If you click on it, it will automatically apply the 35% at checkout as long as you click the pay as you go option. So this is the nail set how it turned out. I ended up swapping the 2 middle nails, so the 3 skulls are going to be the accent ring finger, and the spider web is the middle finger. So yeah, I love how these turned out. They are so cool, and I can't wait to do more Halloween. Let me know if you like them, and I'll see you in the next one.